Hello everyone, welcome to our FS1 Mental Math class. Today's learning objective is learners will be able to identify number value from 1 to 5, revise the numbers 1 to 6 on a dice and numbers 1 to 5 in tally marks and fingers. The learning outcome is learners are able to apply their knowledge about the number value, dice, tally marks and the fingers. Now let's look at this picture. Can you guess how many animals you can see? Let's find out if you are right. Yes, you are right. Well done. There is one skunk in this picture. Good job. Now can you tell me how many porcupines are there in this picture? Can you guess how many are there? Let's find out if you are correct. Yes, well done children. There are 2 porcupines in this picture. So you can see number 2 here. Good job everyone. How many deer can you see in this picture children? Can you guess the number? Let's see whether you are right. Yes, you are right. There are 3 deer in this picture. Well done. Now let us guess how many foxes we can see in this picture. Let's find out if you are right. Yes, well done. You got it right. There are 4 foxes seen in this picture. Now how many porcupines are there? Shall we guess how many porcupines are in this picture? Let's find out if your answer is right. Yes, well done children. We can see 5 porcupines here. So, this is number 5. Now, let's have a look at each side of the dice closely and review the numbers of each side of the dice. On this face of the dice, we have 1 dot. So, whenever we see 1 dot on a dice, it means it is number 1. Now take a good look at this face of the dice. How many dots can you see? Yes, you are right. It has 2 dots. So whenever you see 2 dots on a dice, it shows the number 2. Now take a good look at this face of the dice. How many dots can you see? Yes, you are right. It has 2 dots. So whenever you see 2 dots on a dice, it shows the number 2. When you roll the dice and you find 3 dots on the face of the dice, which number do you think it is? Yes, you're right. It shows the number 3. There are 4 dots on this face of the dice. So, whenever we see 4 dots on the face of a dice, it shows the number 4. Now take a very good look at this face of the dice. How many dots can you see? What number do you think the dots represent? Yes, you are right. It has 5 dots on this face of the dice and it represents the number 5. There are 6 dots on the face of this dice. So, whenever we see 6 dots on a face of a dice, it shows us the number 6. Now, can you remember these marks? Yes, it is called tally marks, and we use tally marks to show the value of each number. Let's have a look at each tally mark from 1 to 5 and review the value of each number. This tally mark shows one line. So children, whenever we see one line in tally marks, it means it is number 1. This tally mark shows 2 lines. So whenever we see 2 lines in tally marks, it means it is number 2. This tally mark shows 3 lines. So what do you think, children? What will be the answer? Yes, whenever we see 3 lines in tally marks, it means it is number 3. This tally mark shows 4 lines. So whenever we see 4 lines in tally marks, it means it is number 4. Now let us look at this tally mark. What do you think, children? This tally mark shows 5 lines. So whenever we see 5 lines in tally marks, it means it is number 5. And don't forget, children, always the 5th line in tally marks will go across the 4 lines. Now I want you to look at this picture and tell me how many fingers can you see? Now let's find out if you are right. Good job, everyone. It's 1 finger. I wonder how many fingers you can see in this picture. Now remember, you are not supposed to count the fingers. Now, let's see if you are right. Amazing! You are right. There are 2 fingers. So now, I want you all to look at this picture and tell how many fingers can you see in this picture. Remember, you are not supposed to count the fingers. Okay, so let's find out if you are right. Good job, everyone. Yes, it's 3 fingers. I see so many fingers. How many fingers are here? Can you tell how many fingers are there without counting? Okay, let's see if you are right again. Good job, everyone. You are right. It's 4 fingers. I also want everyone to look at this picture. Can you see this hand? So, how many fingers can you see? Do not count the fingers. Let's see if you are right. Yes, it's 5 fingers. Well done. You are correct. Good job, children. Well done. Keep practicing your mental maths. It's reflection time. Now, let us use this timer and guess and write the numbers of the dice, the tally marks, and the fingers on a paper. You can then tell the answers to your mummy or daddy. Bye bye, everyone. Have a nice day and see you soon.